What's going on, y'all? So a lot of people ask me, if I have an Audi, how do I get my door mirrors to fold in when I lock my car? And it's just a setting inside the menu. So I'm going to show you guys where that is. And if you have an older model Audi, I'll show you. It's a different setting, but you still have it. So in the older vehicles, I'm pretty sure it was under the car menu. In the new ones, it's under vehicle. So you just go to vehicle, settings and services, central locking, long press to open windows. That's in here too. These are all your settings, by the way. So long press to open windows is rolling the windows up and down with the lock and unlock button on your key fob. And that is what we're looking for. That is your folding mirrors. Just make sure that is checked. There's your tone when locking, open with convenience key. All those settings are in here. So that's it. And as always, thank y'all for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll see y'all for the next one.